Hi, I'm a water demanner from India. My name is Almond. I've traveled all over India to find water and I'm consultant for mines and for gemstones. I'm doing it. I do wastewater for poor people, okay, and that is rainwater harvesting for farmers, cattle or agricultural things, everything I do it. But there is one problem that is going on happening on seeing the videos that is which I've put in YouTube for water divining. Many are trying to do it. Okay. They fail to get water and other things, but they just think that they can do it in a 1 or 2 day just by watching YouTube videos. Okay, that is the one systematic calls that has been coming throughout the year. At least in a week I get 2 or 3 calls that I failed to find water using your technique and all. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, from many parts of the world, including last week from Germany and all, there was a call. They said after watching your video and repeating it, we are getting body pain, joint pain, everything. Okay, that is total body structure is paining. Okay, see, I've told in many of my videos, this is not a play, child's play or anything which we see it. This totally based upon magnetic field. Okay, we are doing or we are opposing the complete magnetic field to find water. So there will be stresses in finding water or any other minerals or in mines. Okay, everything we do it. Okay, especially when we do map dowsing and all, I spend at least 1 or 2 days in systematic approach and then do it. So we are seeing that many find ill, or last month also one person from India came saying that he has got complete joint pains after finding water through this method. Okay, my friend Babu from Dindivanam, that is Tamil Nadu, he finds water through telephone itself. Okay, that is also a technology, that is he does it. He gets total body vibration, but he is also getting body pains and everything due to vibration. Okay, this is just like in your younger stage you would have seen that when you keep a magnet and put iron fillings on it, you get lines of force. Okay, the fillings gets in different shape. Okay, that is called as flex lines or EMF force. Okay, so the force exerted by a running water. Okay, when water is running, it has got magnetic energy in it. When we oppose the magnetic energy, our body is completely stressed and we get joint pains. Okay, see that I'll show you a small demo. Okay, see, when you catch normally this Y-shaped rod, nothing happens. Okay, okay, when you close it, you form a closed path. Okay, when we see that electricity flows to a closed surface, that is a normal one. When you see electricity, it flows in a closed path. Okay, when we find this one, okay, this is a closed path and your that is fetus at the earth's surface. Okay, when you move, okay, along a water path, you can see that lines of forces are being exerted. That is what I said, there will be 4 lines of force, anything that flows on. Okay, see, okay, see, this is what I do because, okay, when you do this, you see that this is a magnetic energy opposition which is got in our body completely. When we get this energy in our body, okay, when you go after finding water, you can see that your body temperature will be increased a lot and your heartbeat will also increases. Okay. When you test it, you can find it. Okay. Many cases around the world I've seen from skeptic people and all, they have died due to heart attack or due to blood vomiting. This is because of over indulging in this one, and you have to know how to release the energy. Okay. When we see two energies are important in our planet, one is sun's energy, another one is earth's energy. Okay. Sun's energy gives you light, so light and heat, that is one form of energy, and earth gives you magnetic energy, and there is difference between your magnetic and heat energy. When we oppose this both, your body gets heated up a lot, and due to that vibration, your heart pumps and your blood pressure level also increases, okay, in the body. Okay. That is why you have to know how to do it, what is the basic condition to learn it, how to use a Y-shaped rod or L-shaped rod or coconut, anything that you use it. Okay. In a coconut also you can see that you just move it and it comes up. Okay. So many asks that why can't coconut come up, or from the tree why does it fall down, it can't fly or anything. Okay. It is nothing based upon a tool. Okay. This are nothing. We are the important source of people, okay, who uses this. Okay. Due to iodomotor effect only, you get vibration in your body. Due to muscles reaction, this comes up. Okay, this is the exact point. This comes up. Okay. There's nothing you can just say that when you keep a Y-shaped rod, it doesn't jump anywhere, or if you take a coconut, it doesn't move or fly anywhere. It is completely based on the structure of the body, how you utilize it. Okay. We have got energies, and many people do things which are different and which cannot be thought in our mind. They find waters in the world, waters underground, everything they do. Everything is based upon training, okay, and your body structure, how it is being built to find it. Okay. Many people who find water says they leave it because they found that it was very tiresome for them to find water or body pain. Okay. Mostly when you do it, your joint, elbow and your joint gets affected within 2 or 3 months. Okay, that is the first part which gets affected in your body when you are doing dowsing. Okay, so see to that you do with a perfect way. You find a teacher or a guru who does it. Okay, I've got more than 25 gurus, and I've read more than thousands of books or Vedic books which are from India, Italy, France, and Germany. Okay. Okay. This books, main books written by gypsies and a father killed named Ronaldo, a gypsy. He writes it very clearly that when you find water or other minerals, be very careful, be very cool. You have to know what are the rules that has to be done before water divining. Okay. So what happens when your body gets heated up means you lose your fluids from your body. That is main thing. When blood pressure increases, okay, you lose your body. Okay. So be careful in finding things. So don't think that everyone can do it, I can do it, you can do it, and don't get failed in finding water and blame me. Okay. Or don't say that you have got body pains and all. I've given many videos that be careful in finding water or other minerals. Okay. Even while gemstone testing also, it gives you radiation. Okay. So you have to be careful. So everything in this world has some sort of energy. So you know clearly that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So be careful in it. Okay. Thank you.